We're back.
Hey guys.
Hello! We have got something pretty cool to show you. If you haven't been on our social media in the last maybe couple of weeks, up to a month,
Yeah, you probably don't know what's going on.
you don't know what's going on. This is completely new. We have changed our whole setup, which is just
Kids
crazy.
and all. No, they're still there. They're just over there. We didn't get rid of them.
This is what it's like being married to him. He makes a decision. He just buys new things all the time.
You know what went through my crazy head?
My
The van was both of us. The car was mainly me, and then I got her over the line. So
let's do the reveal. Let's not hold you in suspense anymore. All right, let's do a bit of a countdown. Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.